Turn your music down. Turn your music down. Y'all see what it is, man. This thing is cold. I'm digging it. 1987 Caprice Classic Landau. They ain't look cold, man. It definitely look cold, that's for sure. Definitely look good. Let's take a step back over yonder and check it out. Does look good. We on them Corleone forged 24-inch Corleone forged with the spin, baby. Does look freaking super good on those Corleones. We got the Wheelwood brakes back there with the 6-piston. We got the slotted rotors and everything on there. We got nice headers and everything. We got a nice exhaust system on this joint. It's going, man. It's definitely going. Got the suspension set up on here and everything. Woo, look at the inside of these guts, man. Look at the inside of these guts. We'll get there shortly, but let's just check out the outside of the car real quick. Fresh leather and all that, fully restored. Looks good. Leather top, sunroof. Can't beat it, man. This thing looks like a freaking beast. All the window sills, everything is intact. You guys know when you see these old cars like this, it always be like gaps and all that, rusted, all that, but we do have the 1987 Landau on them Big Daddy Corleone forged, man. So these are 24s in the back as well with the huge lip. You guys just see the hand, like literally my whole hand. So really nice ride. Got the Wheelwood on the back as well, 6-piston, slided rotors, of course. Does look good. Does look really good, man. We got some boom in the back. We got something in the back or no?
Yeah, go around to the front of them, back it up,
all right.
I'm gonna open it up.
Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is on that thing. This is huge wheel, bro. Huge wheel. Yes, sir. A little bit. Ooh. That thing look cold. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. You have to pop the hood on this bad boy. We got an LS3 in here. Cam heads, all the above. Fast intake, 102 millimeter throttle body. All the good stuff. Chrome pieces here and there, all over the place, man. All the bells and whistles you can ask for on one of these Landaus, dog. Got the straight air intake. This thing is dope. All the chrome pieces and everything under there. Got the chrome like brake master cylinder and stuff like that. And got some headers on there. That thing look good. Y'all see what it is? Y'all see what it is, man. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing looks so clean. In particular, you even got Landau on the freaking mirror. I don't know if y'all can see that from that angle, but definitely got Landau on the rear view mirror, man. This thing is a beast. Now, before we get into the car, let's check out the freaking back of the car. This thing is nuts. This thing is nuts, man. Looks so freaking dope. I don't even know what this thing got in it. So what he got in it, like 15s or what?
Nah, 312s.
Got 312s in this joint. You wouldn't even know, but this space back here does look super custom, super dope. Can't really put nothing in the trunk, but you got 312s back there. Big slapping on the slot, man. And let's see what we got on the inside of this bad boy. Pull this joint open.
Matter of fact, on your birthday, we're going to go see Lynn in Houston at Lynn's.
At the car show.
At the car show.
Are we going up?
We'll
Houston. We going up, man. June 19th, man. We gonna be out there, Houston, going up for the car show, man. Y'all see this red and black thing looking oh so spectacular. I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing is like fully restored, looks good. You guys just see all the detail. Everything is clean as can be, man. Clean as can be. So I see the red leather interior. We can start off at the back. This thing looks freaking dope. Red seats, red guts. Got the full interior customized out. Even the back speakers and everything, man. That's freaking dope. Now, if we look at the ceiling, we definitely got Alcantara / suede ceilings up top, man. So that's really cool. Got red leather all throughout the whole inside of the car. Fresh black leather back here. Black leather. Fresh black cloth interior back here. Good to go there. Chevy on the ground, man. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is, man. Big Chevy emblems on the ground and all that. Now we got the iPad here that pretty much was custom. They had the box custom made to fit the iPad, so it'll sit flush in here like a Tesla. Does look good. Now this thing, you can pretty much call it a Tesla because it's got the big old touch screen in the middle. But if you guys just look up here, it does have so much freaking room in here, guys. You know these old school cars, they be like big as heck as it is, but when you actually get in here in 2022, it actually feels like you in an F-350 or something, like with all this room you got up front. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, I ain't never really even been in one of these like this, like especially in the driver's seat. But I ain't gonna hold you, sitting in this joint today, I feel like I'll slide this joint, man. Slide this joint. Now we do got the sunroof, man. Y'all know I love the cars with the sunroof. Got the sunroof in that joint, so that's a plus. This thing is freaking sick. Everything is ready to go. Got the matching Corleone forged steering wheel. I wish he would have did the wheels like this, just like he did his steering wheel with the red somewhere in them, but still looks freaking dope. I am digging it. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. 1987 Landau with the whole iPad gadgets and everything up in here, man. Y'all see what it is. Automatic start. Everything is good to go. I'm digging it, man. This thing sounds like a beast, looks like a beast. Everything feels amazing. I can dig it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let your boy know in the comments below, man. We going up. I can't wait. We in Memphis going up, man, with this one. Real hustle and flow style. That's for sure, dog. Real hustle and flow, man. Y'all let your boy know what y'all think in the comments below, man. Now, y'all see we in this old school, man. Y'all know we in the South and everything, man. We on rims and all that, dude. Freaking Pops went out driving yesterday. Now, it's funny he did this because he was going to switch the lips on this thing anyway. You guys see the lips on here. It's like pretty small. I ain't going to hold you. So, of course, he wanted something a little bit more to match the back. Ironically, you know, with the potholes in the South, man, freaking hit a pothole, bent this thing. So now I guess you really got to do the lips now. But other than that, man, this thing will be back A1 in no time. Really a great looking car. You can't beat it. Like, this thing is a beast, dog. We probably gonna gas this thing up, take it around the block, and check it out with y'all here shortly, man. We gonna see what's up, though. All right, man, we about to hop in this thing.
You gonna hop in it? I'm not going.
Okay, bet. We about to hop in this joint and go up. About to hit the block or two real quick, man. Y'all see what it is?
Drop it down one more gear. There you go.
Going up, man. I ain't gonna hold you. This real South Memphis style right here, dog. We out here with this one, man. We out here with this one. I'm in that joint today, baby. I'm in that joint today, baby. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here going up. I'm in that Landau right now, man. Slide through the South of Memphis, dog. Sliding through the South of Memphis in that red thing. The big red guts on here. Y'all see what it is, man. Yeah, all the red guts, man. We out here hustling flow. South Memphis style, though, dog. Hold up. Y'all see what it is, man. Going up. Big iPads in there. It's like a Tesla in the old school, man. We got the Tesla in the old school, man. Y'all see what it is. All red guts sliding through South Memphis. The finest of the finest, man. Y'all see what it is, dog.
Okay, here he comes. I can hear it. You might can't see it yet, but you damn sure can hear it. Speed bumps in the street, so he gotta slow down. He can't just get all the way on it because he's gonna have to slow down for the speed bumps. But he can get on it in between speed bumps. That, huh?
I think he's going down.
You like that, huh? Hey, that's that's why I said get behind the wheel. So once you get behind the wheel,
I need one now.
That's gonna make you want one.
I need one. I ain't gonna.
It ain't like you can't get one.
Right,
you can get one
see it out here
for sure.
Oh, I'm thinking. Yeah, I got you. This thing cool. I like it. I definitely like it, man. I definitely like it, man. I need one. I need it, y'all. Yeah, that thing cool.